Hey beauty gang, today I'm going to be doing a full face of drugstore makeup. I am trying out some new products from the drugstore, which I'm excited about. Let's jump into the video. I don't have a new primer, so we're going to jump right into foundation. I did use the Covergirl True Blend primer to prime my face. For foundation, I have the L'Oreal one in a new shade called Copper, I think. Yeah, Copper. And then I also have a new Wet n Wild makeup locker BB cream. It's supposed to be like a fitness gym type of situation in the shade Deep. I'm gonna try it just because it's actually new to me and this one is not really new, so we're gonna go with Wet n Wild. It also has a corrector and a highlighter all in one, so let's try this bad boy out and see what's going on here. Ooh, ooh. I was definitely not expecting this packaging, but the spatula, and then you have the product in this jar. So we're just gonna start applying this. It's a BB cream, so I don't expect too much coverage, but you know, we're trying to look fleeky at the gym, so we need like a decent amount of coverage, you know. I personally don't wear makeup at the gym only because I wake up and I go to the gym at literally like 5 o'clock in the morning, so I wear makeup like after the gym once I can't really, this is kind of a very awkward tool because you can't really bend it, so like it's very strange. Okay, I'm just gonna blend some of this out. This is the darkest shade, I think. It's not that dark. Alright, we're just blending. It's definitely BB cream. It's not really giving much coverage. Whoa. It add a little bit of coverage. I'm gonna use it with a brush to kind of see what happens because I'm not really a BB cream expert, you know. BB creams are not really my forte, so I'm gonna try this again using a brush. Now take some from here and just kind of try to get a lot of coverage. I think I used a little bit too much, but let's just see what happens. I'm just gonna, oh my gosh, I don't know what I just did, you guys. I think I'm gonna have to use the sponge again because I think I just like used like way too much. This is definitely very red and orangey. Oh my gosh, let's just try to fix this. We're gonna try to fix this. Oh my gosh, I think it looks a little better now. Still pretty red and it still doesn't have much coverage, like a little bit of coverage. I don't know, personally, like if I'm not gonna have coverage, I'd just rather just not wear any makeup, but that's just my opinion. Okay, I'm gonna use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer under my eyes in the shade Mahogany. I'm gonna put this under here. I've used this before like once or twice, so you guys may have seen this, but it's a pretty nice concealer, I think. The foundation, no comment. I feel like the BB cream will be cool if you were really young, like a 12, 13, 14-year-old wearing makeup to school or something. But if you have some imperfections, I just feel like it doesn't really give you much coverage. And the color is also like not, you know, it's not ideal. We're gonna move on to powder. I don't have any new loose powder, but I do have a new Rimmel Stay Matte powder. Well, this powder is not new, but the shade is new. It's in the shade Pecan 31. So I'm gonna put this everywhere. All right, we're gonna open this up. I haven't used it yet. The original one is really good, so hopefully this one is just as good. I'm gonna take my sponge and go under my eye first. Ooh, this is pretty deep. I don't think I could put this under my eye. I'm just gonna have to put this somewhere else. All right, yeah, this is like more a face powder for me. I'm gonna take a powder brush and I'm just gonna apply this on my face just because it's more like a face powder for me. It might actually be a little bit too warm, like cool tone. It might be a little cool tone actually, but it actually is giving me some more coverage, and I thought it was going to be like translucent like the original, but it's not really translucent. You do get some coverage. Just giving us some color, which today is perfect because I need it. I do want to get a I need to go back to see if they have another shade like in between the light one, the translucent one, and this one, because maybe I could use that one under my eyes. So far, it's looking a lot better. We're getting, you know, a lot better with this. For under my eye, I'm going to use the Airspun powder. It's old, but it's from the drugstore and it's really good. So I'm just going to put that under here because I don't want to put the deeper powder there. That'll look crazy. Let me just see what's in here. Okay, so definitely no. There's a highlighter which looks like pearl, and then a corrector which looks like absolutely not. Like, what in the world were they thinking? No. Alright, so I got a highlighter from Maybelline, and it kind of broke because the bag dropped and it broke. So this is what it looks like. Now, they came out with the City Bronzer, and there were 3 shades. This was the darkest shade in 300, and it low-key is definitely very light. So I'm going to try it on because, you know, I like to give things the benefit of the doubt. Sometimes things look really light in the package, but when you actually put it on, it actually works somehow, miraculously. So let's just see what this looks like. Alright, so first of all, since it's broken, I should get a lot more pigment. So let's see what happens when I apply this. Now let's just, you know, put this here. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but this is definitely like not, no, I don't see anything happening here. This is like the same color as my face powder. Okay, let's just try like, wow, this is like, no, I don't have any new blushes, so I just threw on a blush, but I do have new highlights. I have 2 from Wet n Wild. We have this one called the Mega Glow Loose Powder. So that was pretty, but I really love the new Awesome Blossom Mega Glow, so I'm going to top it off with this one. This is my new favorite drugstore highlight. I think I put a little bit too much. Like a lot of it too much. I'll just use a powder brush to kind of fix that. I'm going to use the Covergirl Get In Line Active eyeliner, which they sent over. I'm going to put a little bit of the highlight in here. Just, you know, to open up my eyes, get it nice and poppin'. Next, I'm going to use the Covergirl Lash Blast. This is part of their active line. So I'm going to use the Outlast Active Cooling Setting Mist for all day wear to set my face. Ooh, it's close. For my lips, I have a new NYX Candy Slick Glossy Lip Color. I'm excited to try this out. I'm going to line my lips first. I'm going to use NYX Cold Brew to line my lips. Let's try this out. Ooh, this feels good. This feels pretty good. I'm not sure how I feel about the formula, but it feels good. Like, it feels good on my lips. The formula, though, I feel like it's going to come off pretty quickly. Is it long lasting? I'm just going to put my lashes on. These are the AliExpress lashes. They are linked down below in the description box because I know a lot of you guys ask about these. I finally linked them permanently because I love them so much. And they do take like 2 weeks to arrive, but trust me, it's well worth it. So I'm going to throw these on and I'll be right back to show you guys the completed look. Alright, so I threw the lashes on, and this is the whole look of new drugstore products. Some of these I really liked, and some of them I really didn't care for. So out of everything that I tried, my favorites were the Wet n Wild highlighter in Awesome Blossom, which I have been loving this for a couple weeks now. So I really love it. It's a newest shade for deeper skin tones, so definitely check it out if you're around my skin tone. I also do love the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, so it's definitely a favorite for me as well. The Rimmel powder is really nice, except the color. I feel like I need a different color for that powder. Didn't really care for the foundation. I just felt like, oh, BB cream. I feel like it really wasn't for me. The shade was also off, so I definitely will not be wearing this ever again. I also picked up these wipes with the Wet n Wild stuff I wanted to show you guys. They are Hit the Shower Wipe for face and body. Yeah, so this is also part of the collection from Wet n Wild, in case you were wondering what else. The first highlighter I tried from Wet n Wild today, I do like the formula. The color though, I wish it was a little bit more like this one. So I do like this formula a lot, but I need a color like this. I don't know if they have one. They may have one, but I didn't see it in my drugstore. So the spray is really nice. I do think it's a really beautiful spray. It didn't leave any like marks on my face like some sprays do. Leave little white marks. It did melt my makeup into my skin, and it feels really good on the skin. It felt really nice and cooling. So I really like the spray, and I think Covergirl has pretty good face products. When they hit it, you know. The lip product, I love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. I'm not sure how long it's going to last, so I can't really speak on that. But as far as looks and feel, it looks really nice, and it feels really nice. So I think that is all the things that I tried out today. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. Oh, the eyeliner. So I like my NYX eyeliner more than this eyeliner, so I wouldn't swap out my NYX one for this one. But it's a really nice dark eyeliner. I just feel like the NYX one is a little bit better. It's just richer in color, and I really am obsessed with the NYX liquid liner. So that is it for the video, you guys. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell so you can notify whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Ooh, my arm just cracked.